guys, it's Nicole and today I am doing a review tutorial. I never know what to call these anymore. Leave a comment down below what I should be calling these because I never really know. It's probably more of a review. Wow, we love rambling. But trying out the James Charles palette. Let's be honest, it works like a dream. Like, look. I'm so excited. So this is what I did, like low-key dig it still, even though it's different. Somehow this eye turned out better than this eye, even though that's usually my problematic eye. Who knew that would ever happen? Like I said in the video towards the end, it is very different to his actual look here, but I still wanted to have fun with colors and this is my inspiration, so yeah, it's definitely different. I'm gonna start rambling if you want to see this look,
and here's where I realized that my audio cut out, so if you want to see this look, keep on watching.
So I've just gone in with that one through my crease, and now I'm gonna try and brighten it up with this yellow. And I'm focusing that on the front half of my eye. Actually, I want to swap brushes. Just really focus that yellow. I'm gonna blend it out. Next, I'm gonna go in with maybe that orange. Yeah, I'm gonna start off with that orange and put that next. Blend those two colors together. Okay, next I'm gonna go into that color and put that next. Same thing, just buffing that out. This purple here, and do that next. Okay, what I'm gonna do is actually darken up that purple and flick it up. This eye always looks so different. And that purple just in a little bit. With, I think, this blue all here. Now on the lid, I'm going to go in a bit with concealer. I'm going to go over that blue and purple again in just a second. Now what I'm going to do, this one, and put that on the lid and bring it down to the inner corner. And just to there. Then I'm going to pull that blue in a bit more. So that's how we're looking. I'm going to put concealer under here and do this half of my face with foundation, and then I'll do underneath my eye. So with concealer, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm just going to be really careful when I hit that line. I'm going to go in with a Tarte Stick foundation. And I'm going to set that with the Maybelline Fit Me. Under the eyes, we're going to bring that purple first. Briefly fluff that out. And now we're going to go in with that dark blue. Just do the same thing. Now this time I'm going to wear the, so it goes purple, blue, and I'm going to add a bit of green. So the green I think I'm going to use today is that one. Now I'm just going to go over the under eye again so it just stands out a bit more. Now with the shade that we put on the lid, which was this one, I'm going to put that on the inner corner as well. Just there, bring it up. So basically what I did is go back over the colours again and blend it out a bit more. It's obviously not going to look like James's picture at all because his talent's like up here, so is everyone else's, and mine's like down here. But I wanted to give it a try. So this is how it's looking. Once I put mascara and bronzer, it will all come together. So I'm going to go off and do this eye, and hopefully I can get it as close as possible. And yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, that took me so much longer to do this eye than I'd like to admit, but here we are. So I've got my mascara on, which is the Benefit Bad Girl Bang. For bronzer today, I'm actually going to use the Mecca Maxima bronzer because I've been loving this, and it's 20 bucks, so that's even better. Make sure you get it right up in the hairline. For blush, I'm just using the Dandelion by Benefit. Now, to be honest, my skin has a little bit more texture at the moment than normally it would, and a bit more dry, so it's my like foundation, bronzer and stuff is gripping a little bit. That's my skin, not the products. I have to tell you that now. For lips, I'm just gonna go in with the Colourpop Skimpy Liner. Lip balm because I really like the nude of the lip liner. Now for highlights today, I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star Ice Cold. I haven't used that in a while. That's honestly still my favorite highlighter. I'm sorry. Set that in place. I'm using the Australis Makeup Finishing Spritz in Matte. This is the final look. Obviously it's a lot different to James's actual look on the packaging, but I wanted to give it a go using his palette, and like 10 out of 10 if you can get your hands on it. If you haven't already, recommend, because it blends like a freaking dream. And you know what, I should really use the blush and bronzer. Well, he has contour in here, so I should have used that, to be honest. Too late now. But yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend. It blends like a dream. I'm like low-key loving this look. This eye, which is usually my problem eye, turned out a little bit better like in this section than this eye. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you've got this palette, or if you're looking at getting this palette, like what other videos you'd like to see in the future. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys next time.